Dear students, now we go transformation of sentence. One of my last video, this I have taught two types. I have taught two types of this. Now you are going to learn third type of transformation of sentence. Third type of transformation of sentence, that is type 3. Let's go now. What is that type? So before going to that type, the third type, first you want to know what are called a simple sentence, the complex and the compound sentence. That you want to know first. What is called a simple sentence? Yes, this is a sentence which contain only one finite word. Only one finite word. The sentence may have phrases or may not have phrases. May have or may not have phrases. Such a sentence are called simple sentence. Only one finite word. What is called complex sentence? What is the structure of complex sentence? Yes. This is a sentence which contains one main clause or and one main class and one or more subordinate class. One main class, that should be compulsory. But that subordinate class, one may be in that sentence or more than one also. It may be two or three. Such a sentence are called complex sentence. That also I taught in the my last one. Then what is called a compound sentence? It is a sentence sentences connected by or linking by coordinating conjunction. The sentences linking by coordinating conjunctions. The coordinating conjunctions such as and so, then so, but, these are all called coordinating conjunction. The two sentences linking or connected by coordinating conjunction, such as sentences are called compound sentences. This is about the definition of simple, complex and compound. Now we go for the today topic. This is third type. The simple sentence you want to write being, owing to, because of. This must be in the simple sentence. Complex, that should contain as or since. Complex, as or since. Then compound sentence so and so. They should be connected by. So these are all called coordinating conjunction. This no as since. These are all called subordinating conjunctions. This is also used as a conjunction. But name of these conjunctions are subordinating conjunctions. So this, by using on this, how we can be transform a sentence or combine the two sentences. Now you want to learn this. So the example is given. The first one, Arun is poor. Arun cannot pay the fees. Before going to the example, there is a text is given how to identify. These examples comes under, we should be use this for connecting, for combining. That you want to know first. In this, Arun is poor. This is one action. Arun cannot pay the fees. This is to be completed. The action is completed in the positive manner. This is the reason for that. Actually, why Arun cannot pay the fees? What is the reason for that? Arun cannot pay the fees? Because of Arun is poor. So this should be followed. One sentences or one action should be followed by another one. If the given example like this, you can be easily identified. This is comes under this model. That is type 3 model. What is type 3 model? Now we go straightly to the example. Arun is poor, Arun cannot pay the fees. So how to write this? It can be combined by using of symbol. This should be used with being poor. You should not be write subject and verb but being poor. Should concentrate, we should put comma. After completing one sentence, we want to write next one, we should put comma. Then here we should write the name Arun. That no need to change. Arun cannot pay the fees. That's all. Being poor, so should start with being poor, Arun cannot pay the fees. So this is which type of sentence? This simple sentence. This is simple. Given two sentences, we are combined into one, combined into simple sentence. We are using the word being. We go for next type of sentence, that is complex. So what should we use for the complex? As or since we may use. So start with as, that is as, write as it is. Arun is poor, comma. In the second sentence, using the second sentence, again the name of person is started. We are writing in this one sentence. So this is we are continuing. So no need to write again name of a person, again Arun name. Instead of that, what should write? Yeah, pronoun we should write. What is the pronoun for this? Yeah, he. Masculine gender. So he pronoun we should use pronoun. So he cannot pay the fees. He cannot pay the fees. This type of we are using as. So this is complex. This is complex. Understood? So as Arun is poor, comma, here Arun name is given. So we should write pronoun for that. After comma, we should write he. Instead of Arun, what should write? He. The same verb and other things should write. This is about complex. How to combine the sentence by using a compound? So now we go. So that should be the example. Arun is poor. Arun is poor. We should not put any comma. Use so. So he cannot pay the fees. He cannot pay the fees. What we are using to connect these two sentences? For connecting these two sentences, what we are using? Yeah, we are using this conjunction. This conjunction is called a coordinating conjunction. So this is the answer. This comes under compound. So this is compound sentence. Compound sentence. You can write any one of these. The question is asking, combining the sentence, you can use any one of these. Either it can be combined simple, or that sentence is complex, or that sentence is compound. Any one of these you can be used. So this is about the answer for the first one. Understood? So we go for the second one. Yeah. Ramya worked hard. Ramya scored good marks. There are the two sentences is given here. Ramya worked hard. Ramya scored good marks. You can use combining the sentence. This is simple, complex, and compound. First we go for a simple sentence. Here we can use being already used in this one sentence. You can use because of also. So you can write down because of worked hard. This is given. Worked with the hard. So this should write as hard work. How to change worked hard into this? Because of hard work. We should concentrate. Because of hard work, comma. Here we should write as it is. Ramya scored good marks. Ramya scored good marks. This is answer. Because of we are using it in this, so this is comes under simple sentence. That's very simple. So this is about simple because of we are using. We can write the same sentence, this sentence into complex also. How to write complex? We can use as or since also we use as. Like name Ramya For this writing the complex, we should use an example, given example. The question: as Ramya worked hard, comma, again Ramya is repeated here. So instead of Ramya, what should write? C. Right? C scored with good marks. She scored good marks. So this is as it is started. So that's why this sentence is called a complex sentence. Complex sentence. Now we go for the compound. So compound you can write Ramya worked hard. Ramya worked hard. So again Ramya, instead of that we should use C. C scored good marks. She scored good marks. So this is, we are using the coordinating conjunction, so that this is compound sentence. That's all. Very simple. This type is very simple, and you are understanding very clearly. That's the basic idea. You can be right, you can transform, or you can combine whichever are very difficult question is given also. This for very easy. Understood? This is about the answer for the second one. What is the question? Ramya worked hard. Ramya scored good marks. This question we are changing, we are transforming into two sentences. One is simple, complex, and a compound. Now we go for the third example. What is third one? He was sick, he did not go to school. This is a given example. He was sick. This is one sentence. Another sentence is he did not go to school. So this you can be changed into simple, complex, or compound. Now we take this is for that complex sentence. How to change? As we should write in the small as he was sick, comma. So again that is small letter we should use. He did not go to school. He did not go to school. That's all. As we are using, so this is complex sentence. This is comes under complex. Only thing very simple. Start with as, so that these sentences are subordinate. These sentences are main class. This subordinate. This sentence is main class. Understood? So this we can be changed into transform into compound sentence. Suppose in this question now, as he was sick, did not go to school, change into compound, it can be right, it can be changed this into compound sentence. How to change? Should use this, should be start with capital H. Then he was sick. Good. Then what should write? What should use? The conjunction word, coordinating conjunction. So yes, that he was sick. So he did not go to school. Yes. So we are using to connect these two sentences. We are using conjunction. So this comes under compound sentence. This is what type of sentence? This is called compound sentence. That's all. This is about compound. Now we go for the next example. What is given? It is as I was angry, I had my dinner. As I was hungry, this is comma is given. As I was hungry, I had my dinner. So as it is started. So this is given the question for example. Change this into compound. The question is asked like this. Before two simple sentences are given, you are using anyone, either the simple, complex, or compound. But here, the question itself, as I was hungry, I had my dinner. So what do you want to change? Change into compound. Only thing here, we can be changed only in the compound sentence. Don't be change this into simple, because the question itself is asking change into compound. Okay, now we can write this convert into compound. Very easy. We start with the subject. This should be removed. We start with the subject. I was hungry. I was hungry. Then for the compound, what is conjunction? Good. So I had my tea. That's all. I had my tea. So we are using conjunction. So this is considered compound. Now this is which type of sentence? Yes, this is complex sentence. As I was hungry, I had my dinner is complex because here the subordinating conjunction is used. This is answer for this question. So we answer for this one. This last exam which is given. It is cold, so I wear woolen clothes. So suppose this asking that change into complex. Change into complex. So this is given compound sentence. Which type of sentence this is? This is compound. So what should change? So this compound sentence into complex. Compound sentence into complex. Very easy. So for the complex, what should we use? Since. You can use instead of as since also for the complex. Since it is, or since it is cold, then you can put comma here. Since it is cold, then I should write, I should be in the capital. I wear woolen clothes. I wear woolen clothes. Since it is cold, during cold season, which type of dresses we are wearing? Yes, woolen clothes we are wearing. So this is given. So since it is cold, I wear woolen clothes. No, so this is the example. So this should be just we are converted a compound sentence into complex. This is complex sentence. Understood? Very simple. Thought we understood this very clearly. It is type 3. Third type of transformation of sentence. Simple sentence is being or moving to because of. Complex sentence as or since. Yes, compound sentence and so or so. So if it is given directly two sentences, you can use any one, either simple or complex or compound. Particularly the question they are asking, they are expecting change into compound or change into complex. You should only change given sentence into complex or compound. Understood? Yes. So far we have completed type 3 transformation of sentence. So we go next for the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.